Good morning, standard 10 students. In AP, the next exercise, first is I have already completed, I have given you a homework. Second exercise, that is also you have to use the same formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference. Now, see the types of question here. If 8 times the 8 term of NAP is equal to 15 times its 15 terms, find its 23 terms. When this type of question 8 times 8 and 15 terms, so 8 plus 15 23. Whenever similarly second, take another example, 7 times 7 times of the 7 term and 9 times of the 9 term. Sum of 8 and 9, 17. 17 terms value will be 0. So here also 8 times of the 8 term of NAP is equal to 15 times its 15 term. So 8 plus 15, 23. 23rd term will be, value will be 0. How it is coming 0? See, given 8 times of the 8 terms, 8 term T8 equal to 15 times of the 15 terms. Then we have to find the 23 terms value. So 8 plus 15, 23. That 23 terms value, it will be equal to 0. How it will be 0? See, 8 T8. What do you mean T8? 8 terms. So what will be the formula? Use the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus n is here 8. 8 minus 1 D. These two values will not give. Okay. 15 into T15 means A and 15 minus 1 into D. Okay. Now simplify it. 8A plus 7D, 15, A plus 14D. 8A plus 8 7 are 56D is equal to 15A plus 15 and 14. Multiply it. 210D. Okay. Now we have to find 23rd value. 23rd, sum of 23rd. 23rd will be A plus n minus 1 D formula we will use. A, n is 23 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 22D. This value we have to find, it will come 0. Why it will come 0? Simplify it. 8A minus 15A is equal to 210D minus 56D minus 7A, this value, minus 154D. 8. So plus 154D. 7, how many times? Cancel this one. A is equal to 7 to the 14 plus 1, 22. A is equal to 22B is coming. So from the question, we are getting the value A is equal to 20 minus 22D. Put the value of A here in 23rd. That is 22D plus 22D, that is equal to D. So I mean to say, when the question given this type of question, suppose take another example, 5 times of the 5th term is equal to 7 times of the 17th term. So what will be the 5 plus 7, 12 term value. The 12 term value will be 0. Right? Similarly, Next question, find the number of all natural number between 20 to 80 which are divisible by 3. 20 to 80, these are the numbers. We have to find all the numbers between 20 to 80 which is divisible by 3. So first number is 21, divisible by 3. Next 24. Next 27, 8, before 8, 78. These are the number between 20 to 80, which is divisible by 3. So 21 is divisible by 3, 24 is divisible by 3, 27 is divisible by 3, and last digit before 80, 78. Now see whether it is in the AB or not. The first one is A. 21, common difference 24 minus 21, that is 3. Again 27 minus 24, common difference 3, the common difference is coming same. Constant. Then you have to find number of terms. How many number of terms there? 21 to 78. So last value given here. Now use the formula. Which one? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Tn last value given 78. A is 21 plus n minus 1, common difference is 3. So 78 minus 21 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 8 1 7, 7 minus 2 5, 57. N minus 1 into 3. So n minus 1 is equal to 57 by 3. Hey, how many times? 19 times. Hey. So n minus 1 is equal to 90. So what is the term? How many terms are there? N is equal to 1 plus 90. That is 20 terms. So all together between 21 to 78, these are the number between 20 to 80. The total number of terms will be 20. Do you follow, sir? Similarly, we have to find another question here. How many whole numbers each divisible by 7 between 200 to 500? 200 to 500. That you have to find. Which is divisible by 7. So what are the number? If we divide 200 by 7, what value is coming? It is coming 28 4 by 7. It is in fraction. Hey, it means the next term will be 29. Hey, similarly, last value 500. So 500 divided by 7, it is 71 3 by 7. It is also in fractions. But we have to choose only those which is divisible by 7. Which number we will take? So 28 4 by 7, so we will take the next value. 29 into 7. That is this is the one value between 200 to 500. Next 30 into 7. Next 31 into 7. And last digit 71 is there. What value will take? 71 into 7. Because when we will take next 72, then it will be more than 500. So first one 71 into 7. Now when you multiply, you will get 203. 210, 217 up to 497. Now find out this value, number of terms by using the formula. 470, 97 given, Tn, A is 203 plus n minus 1, common difference is 7. Find out n. You will get the total number of right. Thank you very much. Some more questions I will solve. Next day, you do the practice what I have given. This type of question only. Okay, thank you.